How to make stunning typography art in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So let's teach you how you could create something similar to this just using our Canva's different features and elements. We have a very simple, really cool typography art over here. So you're just simply going to click on add page over here, click on elements, and of course you're just simply going to select your element or your main character. And then over here, you're just simply going to search for letters. On enter. And we're going to select shapes. Or there should be an additional options here. There we go, frames. And now you're just simply going to utilize the different letters that you want. It could be your dog's name, or you could just have the simple dog method over here that we just our example earlier. So we're just going to adjust our images here. Our shape smaller, sure that they're all the same sizes. You can ensure this by clicking this option over here. You could lock the rate one and do the same thing here. Sure that they're the same size, or you can just use the ruler. You can just going to adjust the closeness or like the spacing. You can add a bit of space if you want. Then we're going to have our image over here be part of it. Actually, and over here you're going to enlarge the very middle one. Oh, sure that it will be present in both text. Oh, going to adjust this one as well to match up with our just the image that we have just created earlier. One, you could use kinda, or you could kinda take advantage of the transparency, match it up. It can be difficult to have the perfect size for this one, but we're going to do our best to match it up over here. There we go, and there we go. That will be it for our this side. And for this one, we're going to enlarge it as well to same size. Sizing a bit hard to perfect, of course. Not going size or exact same place. For example, we have this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to have your original image over here. You're going to do a background remover, and now you're going to match it up as well with our images in our section. Match it up, I think. Perfect. So our D over here is a bit funky, but it could be better. So then you can just gonna click this, and you can either crop it a bit, or you could have it full. Prefer. Now there could be some improvements that we could do here. For example, the letter D, we're going to adjust this so that it fits the size better. So that it's a bit larger. Oh, so the sizing or the images transparency helps balancing out exactly how it should look. Oh, so just little adjustments that you so click on done, and you should have a very cool effect over here. That's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. If you want to try this out, click on the link in the description for a free 30-day free trial.